Hello, let's do the Minute Cryptic for May 30th. Today's clue is by member SBM. Assemble Avengers to Stark Monument? 10 letters. It feels like either, like obviously, assemble or monument is going to be our definition. So Avengers to Stark is going to have to do something. 10 letters. Holy moly. I'm not seeing. Maybe assemble could be I was going to say I'm not seeing any indicators, but assemble could be an indicator. What would it be? Could it be an anagram indicator? I'm definitely have said many times anything can be an anagram indicator, but at the same time, how could assemble be justified? Avengers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters. We could assemble Avengers 2 for a Stark monument being our definition. We don't have to treat Stark as having a capital S, neither do we have to treat Avengers that way. As having a capital A, that is. I suppose we also don't have to consider Avengers having capital S, but... this is 10 letters. Is it a 10-letter anagram? Stark monument. Well, let's play around with this a little bit. Avengers 2. What could it be? A Stark monument. I don't have a good place to start here. Sometimes you just got to shuffle until something comes out. I might take a hint just to see if this is right. A letter hint does double duty. It helps with the anagram and tells you what it can tell you if it's, if it's one of these letters or not. That can be a hint to whether you're correct. Could it be like a GR word? The word great is here, but we're not two words. And I don't think we can. We have stone here. Stone. Gravestone. Wow, I figured it out. Okay. There it is. 200 par. Nice. Just had to figure out the anagram, really. It's just unfortunate when you're like, I think this is the anagram I have to do, but then like you're going to spend time on it, not even sure if that's the anagram you need. But anyway, I got there. How'd you do?